the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected with the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost 'em. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing, so I work the winnings. God damn, we back at it. Today it's gonna be a quick video, but we're gonna be unboxing or unbagging the Alphalete bag here. Inside is the crossbody, the fanny pack. I'm not really into crossbody and fanny packs, but I've been trying to diversify my fashion style, my style a little bit, so I just think it's gonna be a nice little accessory. And you know, just looking back on it, I just feel like as I have more and more random things in my pocket, I think it'd be good to have extra things, you know, in a bag, dedicated bag instead of inside of my pocket. So without further ado, let's unwrap this, because it's a bag, not a box. It's funny because it's a bag. It sounds like a bag of a bag. It's crazy how all this works out. Silicone gel. And here we go. I got it in black because, you know, black is neutral and black can go with anything. There's also the gray kind, but I think that's sold out actually. The gray actually. Either the gray or the black sold out. But black is neutral, so it can go with anything no matter what kind of outfit I wear, even though I wear mostly all black. Mostly dark colors. But this looks nice though. It looks nice. Looks pretty decent, high quality. And of course, you got the YKK zippers. They also look waterproof or water resistant as well. That's we know you do this all day. That's we know it's good quality zippers. Got the Alphalete branding right there. Then you got the model on here to get learn more, dream more, be more here. So put a little attention to detail in here. It's gonna be interesting to see. Let me try to fit this on, you know. Let me try to fit this on. I need more slack. I need more slack. Slackety slack. Need more slack. There we go. Okay, probably give myself a little bit more slack, but that's the fit, you know. That's the fit of crossbody bag. Coins in here, USD coins or something. Okay. So this got some mesh liners. Okay. Some more silicone gel. You know, you gotta stay dry out here. Yeah, I'm gonna put these through some paces. I'll probably do a review, probably in a week or so, to give out my taste, my point of views of it. But I'll wear as a crossbody bag, probably not as a fanny pack. Maybe I'm working now in the gym. I don't know, but I'll probably wear these mostly as a crossbody bag. Gotta be hype beast out here. Gotta look like a hype beast out here. So, if you like the video, please like the video. I got more content like this always coming soon. So please, subscribe. See you next video. Peace.